Welcome back, students. In this class we are going to learn autoboxing and auto-unboxing. Automatic conversion of a primitive value into an object of the corresponding wrapper class is referred as autoboxing. Similar way, but in opposite, conversion of an object into its corresponding primitive data type is referred as auto-unboxing. Let us understand with few examples. Now I initialize a variable of integer data type called age having value 16. This is ordinary primitive data type. Now if I want to convert this into an object which is corresponding to its wrapper class, we know now what is wrapper class. Corresponding wrapper class is integer I capital. Integer. Now I give the object name. Let me have obj age is equal to new integer of age. So the primitive data type here it is getting converted into its object. This is called boxing. Let us check by printing it. I say here object just for reference plus object age obj age. You can see the object is printed here. Now let me tell you what is autoboxing. Instead of giving the new keyword and then integer of age, we directly say here as age. So this statement is taken care by the compiler. Automatically it is being done. So it is converted into its object called obj age of its corresponding wrapper class integer. This is autoboxing. Let us run this also. You can see the second time the output has come. Now let us understand what is unboxing. Unboxing is nothing but again converting this object into its ordinary primitive data type. So let me give int. Now I use some other variable, say a is equal to obj age. See, this is an object. That object is being converted into ordinary data type. So this is auto unboxing. Let me print this. This is unboxing A. You could see that unboxing. You may have a question, what is the need of this? As object oriented programming, everything resides as object and class. So even you store the primitive data type, it is automatically converted or wrapped into its object. You may have some situation in advanced programming where you need all the data as object, not as primitive data type. So that is the reason why concept of boxing and auto unboxing is introduced in Java. Sometimes we need to convert one data type into another data type, right? For example, integer to string. At that time, the object only will be helpful. See, let us check. I am trying to convert string str is equal to obj age dot toString. Okay, now this will be converted as string. Now let me print this. So I will be printing here string. You could see that it is printed 16. That is a string. Now, if this is not an object, okay, so let us give or age. Let me give age itself. I am trying to convert this age, that is primitive data type, to string. Will it accept? See, that is an error. So this is the purpose of having the object. Students, hope concept is clear. Keep watching, keep learning and keep sharing. Thank you.